So Ozone Bio is a Canadian clean tech company, but not only Canadian. We're actually Calgary-based. We have a facility here in Calgary, and we're scaling up our production over here. So what we do, we upcycle wood waste and nutshells into the new product stream. Our first hero product, but not only product that we're making, is adipic acid. Adipic acid is a main building block of high-performance polymer nylon 6,6 that you can find everywhere, from car parts to running shoes. It's a $30 billion market globally. Adipic acid also used in polyurethanes, PVC, pretty much in all the plastics around. And I'm pretty sure most of you guys wearing today nylon 6,6 textile, which main part of it is adipic acid. So what's wrong with adipic acid and why we are targeting the production of adipic acid out of the wood waste? So per year, at least 60 million tons of greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere as a side product of the specific adipic acid production and nylon 6,6 making. So what's happening is in the petroleum sector, they use nitric acid, and nitric acid is one of the main solvents to produce adipic acid. And then when it's mixed together in one reactor, leads to the nitrous oxide release. Nitrous oxide is one of the most dangerous greenhouse gases, 300 times more toxic than CO2. As a result, you have 147 liters of greenhouse gases emitted per kg of adipic acid production. So if you're wearing, let's say, Lululemon pants, Gore-Tex jacket, or Patagonia, some fleece, or some rain jacket, most probably the amount of nylon 6,6 used in that material is enough to make us all die in this room. So that's the amount of the greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere every year. And right now, adipic acid only made a nylon 6,6 out of petroleum. There are no bio-based analogs, and we're the only company in the world that's making it bio-based. What we're doing, we basically start with wood bark. I brought samples here. It's not that big room. You can come and check. So this is the wood bark that we start with. So everyone's seeing, trees and the wood bark. So that's literally what we use as a starting material. And then we upcycle it using pyrolysis and green chemistry approach, emission-free, and we turn it into the adipic acid as a white powder, and then adipic acid after that is being polymerized to nylon 6,6 pellets, which is the plastic pellets like this here. You can, whoever wants can come and check. So that's what literally is happening. We take the wood bark and we convert it into the nylon 6,6 pellets that further on can be spun into fiber. I have little fiber sample left with me because majority of the fiber samples, like thread samples that of nylon 6,6 that were made, are sent to the brands, like I mentioned today, high performance textile brands. So this is a fiber basically. It's a shiny nylon 6,6 fiber that we can also make from wood bark and nutshells, and we distribute it across the world to major brands that producing apparel for outdoor performance, so something that would be high performance, durable, and used for athletes and so on. Our product is fully bio-based and certified. It's 100% bio-based by independent party. That's here in this slide. You can see that it's white powder of adipic acid and nylon 6,6 pellets on the same image right here. And like I said, we're the only company in the world producing it and scaling, and we're scaling it right here in Canada. We're at the 1 ton scale per year right now, building up our pilot facility here around, not far from downtown in Calgary. This is our team. We're constantly hiring people, and that would be it. I know you're all tired, want to run away, but that's it. Thank you. Oh, good question. 1 ton per year, it would be, so for example, just a typical plant of nylon 6,6 production would be at scale 100,000 ton. So we're per 1 ton. And then like our pilot, so we pilot, like we build the pilot production here. Now next step to scale to 50 ton per year. Definitely more expensive, but our TEA and the type of feedstock that we're using, you know, Canada is, not Alberta specifically, but Ontario is very rich in wood waste, and you can get it for free. So at scale of around 24,000 ton, we can be cost parity. Yes, that's about it, yes. Right now, we're like at this, it's enough to supply 2 brands, I would say, collections of 2 brands that use high-performance outwear, so for us. Exactly the same formula, is just fully bio-based and emission-free. So exact same performance as a petrochemical-derived nylon 66 and adipic acid. It's just fully bio-based, allows you to save emission in 97%, so. Yeah, of course, there are emissions in pyrolysis, but the cool thing about the pyrolysis system, if you're scaling it up and then you collect that gas, you can power your own facility with it. That's what's happening most of the time, right? You can collect that syngas and then again burn it and then power that facility. So that in LCA, it's not really, so we can do 2 things, and it's additional revenue for us. So you can sell the syngas, or you can use it to power your own facility. In both cases, that's a great thing for LCA. Oh, of course, 100%. Yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely. So carbon credits we get. So what's happening, we're using conventional pyrolysis process. We cook wood, and then we use bio-oil as a feedstock to our adipic acid. But the majority of companies, they stop at the stage of biochar and syngas. They cannot do anything further on. We're the only one actually managed to perform towards high performance materials. And we actually, I forgot to mention, so we also can make vanilla extract, and I have example here as well out of the wood waste. It's just a side product, nice bonus for us. It's not really target. So yes, we make biochar, syngas, and bio-oil as a conventional pyrolysis company. But then that bio-oil we can convert in vanilla extract, in some other food additives, and nylon 6X. But from biochar and syngas we can get carbon credits. It's typical business strategy for a lot of companies that raised, you know, money in the last 10, 20 years. And biochar right now, all of a sudden, hot topic, good for us. And syngas, well, I don't know why, but whatever. Everyone got a little bit more alive. Chemistry is more fun. Okay? Whoever wants to try our vanilla, I have it here. So. And get some samples and fiber, whatever. It's up to you. Thank you, guys.